Facing issues with USB-C to HDMI not working? I'll provide you with 3 ways to fix this problem. Stay tuned for quick and effective solutions to ensure your USB-C to HDMI connection functions seamlessly. Press the Windows plus R to open Run. Type dvmgmt.msc and then click OK. Double-click on Other Devices to expand and view the ones under it. Now, right-click on the USB device and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Press Windows plus X to open the Power User menu and select Device Manager. Now click on the Action menu and select Scan for hardware changes. Then try utilizing the USB to HDMI adapter after scanning. Press Windows plus I to open Settings and click on Update and Security. Now select Recovery from the navigation pane and click on the Get Started button under Go back to the previous version of Windows 10. Remember, you can only do this within 10 days of installing an update. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.